Abroad the regal banners fly, now shines the cross's mystery. Upon it life did death endure, and yet by death he'd life procure. That which the prophet King of old hath in mysterious verse foretold is now accomplished whilst we see God ruling nations from a tree. Blessed tree whose happy branches bore the wealth that did the world restore, the beam that did that body weigh, which raised up hell's expected prey. Hail cross, our hope, on thee we call, who keep this solemn festival. Grant to the just increase of grace, and every sinner's crimes efface. Blessed Trinity, we praises sing to thee, from whom all graces spring. Celestial crowns on those bestowed who conquer by the cross below.